Hi friends, we solve one question. Prove that tan a upon 1 minus cot a plus cot a upon 1 minus tan a is equal to tan a plus cot a plus 1 is equal to sec a into cosec a plus 1. Solution. Consider LHS tan a upon 1 minus cot a plus cot a upon 1 minus tan a. This is equal to, we know that cot a is nothing but 1 upon tan a. So, tan a upon 1 minus 1 upon tan a plus 1 upon tan a upon 1 minus tan a. Here since cot a is equal to 1 upon tan a, this is equal to, solve this by cross multiplying, taking LCM. So tan a upon tan a minus 1 upon tan a. Here we are taking that minus common, so minus, so 1 minus tan a becomes tan a minus 1, and that tan a in numerator, 1 upon tan a in numerator, that tan a goes to the denominator. So 1 upon tan a into 1 minus tan a is becomes tan a minus 1, tan a minus 1, due to we are taking minus common. This is equal to denominator's denominator is goes to the numerator. So tan a into tan a is tan a square upon tan a minus 1 minus 1 upon tan a into tan a minus 1. So tan a minus 1 and tan a minus 1 taking common. So 1 upon tan a minus 1 into tan square a minus 1 upon tan a. This is equal to 1 upon tan a minus 1 into, taking LCM, so cross multiply, tan square a into tan a is tan cube a minus 1, and upon tan a we write here so solve this tan cube a minus 1 by using the formula a cube minus b cube, since a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. So this is equal to 1 upon tan a into tan a minus 1 into tan cube a minus 1. So a cube minus b cube, we apply that formula. So a minus b is tan a minus 1 into a square, means tan a square plus ab means tan a plus b square. This is equal to tan a minus 1 and the tan a minus 1 get cancelled. Here we are getting tan square a plus tan a plus 1 divided by that tan a. So tan square a divided by tan a plus tan a divided by tan a plus 1 upon tan a. This is equal to tan square a upon tan a is tan a plus 1, tan a upon tan a is 1, 1 upon tan a is cot a. So we are getting tan a plus cot a plus 1. Here we require to prove, also we require to prove sec a into cosec a plus 1. So tan a, we write tan a as sin a upon cos a plus cot a as cos a upon sin a plus 1. So simplify it by cross multiplying. So sin square a plus cos square a upon cos A into sin A plus 1. We know that sin square A plus cos square A is 1. So 1 upon cos A into sin A plus 1, since sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. So 1 upon cos A is sec A into 1 upon sin A is cosec A plus 1. This is also proved. So hence the proof. Thank you.